Hey guys, we're doing the half case of Supreme Hard Draw. Team player draw now. It's 1:46:18 p.m. Melbourne time, and I just realised I put the fucking teams there instead. That's not what I meant to do. It's upper deck. That's the one. Sorry, the random is live. No, the random is live. Dice roll. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So many PMs. Why? I don't know. Drain me, everyone. 8 times. A million questions, author on time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jordan top spot. LeBron, same person. Should be interesting. Same as that Geary one. Random is complete, and the spots are Shane DiGiorgio, Michael Jordan, Matt White, Markel Fultz, Carter, Dennis Rodman, Stafford, Clyde, Indy, Cat, Shane with Jamal Murray, Johnny Spence, Alonzo Mourning, Eugene Youth, Thon McCurr, Shane with Dr. J, Simi, Kevin Love, Matus, Penny Hardaway, Rodney, Zach Levine, Shane with Dirk, Keith, Allen Iverson, Philip Spence, Magic Johnson, Shane with Wiggins, Porzingis, and LeBron, Ryan Elworthy, Larry Bird, Matt Kelly, George Gervin, Timothy Price, Elgin Baylor, Eugene Yu, Jerry West, Corey Leslie, Hakeem Olajuwon, Albie Ben Simmons, George with Curry, Shane with Vince Carter, and Eugene DeMarcus Cousins. Dennis Cousins. That'd be funny. That is too big up. Malaka.